Hello, pathetic squad of humans. How does that sound for a thank you? Alright squad, here's your challenge. You only need to design how Shell would look if it was created in GTK and libadwaita, instead of this stupid Shell toolkit. You know, the one that's so bad nobody even remembers its name anymore. True story. We're all trying to forget it. And fortunately for you, there isn't really much work to do. You need to design the panel in the calendar, and don't forget the notification bubbles over here. Also, the drop-down menus and the controls inside them that are so totally off from the original Adwaita design language. Come on guys, it's almost painful to look at. More controls over here to work on, and I'm not sure why, but all the surfaces and the interaction look and feel are slightly different from GTK. You can easily tell the toolkit doesn't fit with the rest. For some technical reason I don't even understand, but it's just there, and you can sense it as a user. Pure evil. Even these dialogues, which are so beautiful, could be much better with GTK. And by the way, Cosmic uses similar dialogues, and again you can tell the interaction feels smoother than here. You know what I'm trying to say, don't you? Anywho, so what you have to do is fire up a designer app and try to recreate all Shell components, strictly following the official Adwaita widgets, but without adding new things. That's not the point here. Although I guess if Shell was written in GTK, developers would add more UI stuff with first place. Kinda hard to do with the current toolkit without messing everything up. When you're done, you'll submit your work to the community whiteboards and Gnome Discourse, and the best design will be awarded with a €100,000 cash prize. Next, you'll go to Emmanuel Bassi and say that me sent you to claim your reward. Come back here with Emmanuel's original footage of him going berserk, and I promise, dude, you've earned your prize.
And then I hit it all clean. It was a strange melody. And then I felt myself